why Igbo funerals look like festivals with music, good food, and masquerade appearances? This is because in the Igbo, we celebrate life to its fullest. We celebrate people's achievements and we also celebrate their own posterity. And we use these funeral rites as a way to hasten the reincarnation process of an individual's consciousness. This privilege is only given to elderly who have died at the climax of their life, having fulfilled and lived gracefully, procreated, and have made one contribution or the other to their own communities. Now, because of this, we shed tears as a way to encourage their soul, their consciousness to reincarnate. Now, if they have an unfulfilled purpose or if they lived an unfulfilled life, this process is going to help them to reincarnate as soon as possible. But if they have lived a fulfilled life and do